It never snows in LA, but damn it, these winters are freezing, and it still gets cold all the same. But I feel the sun and it's beaming. I'm shivering, it's 90 degrees. Should be sweating, but I can't feel the heat. This heat wave feels like I'm in Ashwaubenon. These thick layers feel like I have nothing on. There's a blizzard in town, only I can see. Left my fingertips numb. I'm surrounded by fire, but this ice can stay solid. My heart's grown stalactites, my mind's grown psychotic. I thought that this living would turn snow to droplets. I burn, let it burn, but I'm still feeling frostbite. I'm shivering, it's 90 degrees. Should be sweating, but I can't feel the heat. I see my breath in front of me. Try to tell you through chattering teeth. It gets better, I swear they all pretend to know. 'Cause I'm standing in Hollywood, knee deep in snow. I'm shivering, it's 90 degrees. Should be sweating, but I can't feel the heat.